Yep.
Hello, this is for Tim Grable's house. Just gonna try to do a repair on this shingle right here. See if it causes damage to the rest of the shingles when attempting it. Yeah, it's already lifted over those nails. It's already popping out. Didn't even take the nails out yet. Let's see. What goes up here. It's already cracking. Go ahead and take the nails out. Those are definitely in there. Good. Okay. I'm gonna zoom in on that. It's already starting to crease along the top right here. Barely did anything. All I did was get the shingle out from underneath. Trying to be as careful as possible while getting these nails out. All right, let's see if I can slide that shingle in now. It's got the closest color to what I assumed it originally would have been. No one's pouring on, it's black. See if there's a couple more nails underneath there. Need to get. It's hard to get all the nails. Trying not to raise it above a 45-degree angle. Okay, let me just feel underneath it. There's not any more nails. Right there. There we go. Should be able to get the shingle in there now. There we go. Okay. All right. So just from taking the shingle out of there, see, caused a lot of damage to this shingle. Caused a little bit of damage up here to this shingle, the surrounding ones. Definitely not good enough to do repair to the rest, because if you look, if you just want to pan out, there's shingles up here. Shingles up here that are damaged. If I try to do the same thing, damage that shingle, try to repair that, it's going to damage that. This whole entire slope is going to have to end up being a whole spot repair. Same thing with these down here. Go ahead and put the nails in for you. Even though just from taking it out, it already caused damage right here. Try to not raise it above a 45-degree angle for you. Try my best. I need to get that out. Put one more on the end. All right, and that's that.